Best vlogging cameras. As more creators, travelers, and lifestyle storytellers turn to online platforms, the demand for the best vlogging cameras continues to rise. Modern vloggers want compact designs, excellent image quality, reliable stabilization, and strong audio performance. This guide highlights 5 top choices, evaluating them for camera type, build quality, usability, stabilization, audio, and overall value, so you can confidently pick the right tool for your style and budget.
Product number 1. DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo is one of the most complete vlogging solutions available for solo creators. Featuring a large 1-inch sensor, it delivers crisp, vibrant 4K footage with impressive clarity in bright or low light conditions. The built-in 3-axis gimbal ensures ultra-smooth video, even while walking or filming active sequences. The 2-inch rotatable touchscreen makes framing both horizontal and vertical shots effortless, ideal for YouTube and social platforms alike. What sets the Creator Combo apart is its enhanced accessory bundle. You get a wireless microphone for superior audio pickup, mounting accessories, and extended runtime features, making this an all-in-one setup for travel, interviews, product reviews, or cinematic walk-and-talk content. Creators who want premium quality with minimal setup time will appreciate the effortless handling and versatility. Compact, powerful, and professionally equipped, this combo is built for vloggers who want maximum performance without carrying bulky gear.
Product number 2. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The standard DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is perfect for vloggers who want a professional look in a portable, simplified package. Like the Creator Combo, it uses a 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing detailed 4K footage with excellent color reproduction. The 3-axis stabilization system offers cinematic steadiness, and its compact shape makes it easy to carry in your pocket or bag, ready for quick shooting. Its intuitive 2-inch rotatable touchscreen gives you fast access to settings while making it easy to switch between selfie mode and forward shooting. The autofocus is quick, reliable, and great at tracking subjects, important for vloggers who film while moving. While it doesn't include the extra accessories found in the Creator Combo, it remains an outstanding standalone option. For creators seeking portability, smooth footage, and user-friendly controls without premium pricing, the Osmo Pocket 3 remains one of the best everyday vlogging cameras available.
Product number 3. XtraMuse Vlogging Camera. The XtraMuse Vlogging Camera is an excellent entry-level option designed for budget-friendly creators who want the convenience of a pocket gimbal camera without the cost of high-end models. Its compact, lightweight build makes it ideal for travel and daily content creation. Equipped with stabilization, it produces smooth handheld footage, and its easy-to-navigate interface is especially friendly for beginners. While it may not offer all the advanced features or premium sensor performance of higher-priced cameras, it provides impressive value for casual vloggers, lifestyle creators, and first-time videographers. The XtraMuse usually includes useful accessories and a design that resembles more advanced pocket-style vlog cameras, giving it a familiar and comfortable feel. It's best for those who want simple operation, stable video, and a budget-conscious option for getting started in the world of vlogging.
Product number 4. Boblov 5K Body Camera with Microphone. The Boblov 5K Body Camera with Microphone stands out as a rugged, hands-free solution for vloggers who love action, adventure, or immersive POV recording. With its high-resolution 5K video capability, it captures sharp and clear footage suitable for outdoor exploration, urban walking tours, behind-the-scenes videos, or real-time commentary content. The built-in microphone provides straightforward audio recording without external accessories. Because it's designed as a body-mounted device, it's ideal for creators who want to record while staying fully mobile. Whether clipped to clothing, backpack straps, or gear harnesses, it provides a natural first-person perspective. While it may not deliver the same cinematic stabilization or color depth as premium dedicated vlog cameras,
Its durability and ease of use make it a practical choice for field content, travel diaries, or action-focused uploads. It's affordable, tough, and perfect for capturing everyday moments from your point of view.
Product number 5. Insta360 Go 3S 128GB white 4K tiny portable vlogging camera. The Insta360 Go 3S is one of the smallest and most innovative vlogging cameras on the market, designed for creators who prioritize convenience and versatility. With its tiny size and wearable design, it captures 4K wide-angle footage effortlessly, making it perfect for POV shots, travel adventures, lifestyle clips, or dynamic social media content. Its magnetic mounting system allows you to attach it to clothing, helmets, or accessories for hands-free shooting. Despite its miniature form, it offers flexible shooting modes, horizon leveling, and impressive stabilization, ensuring your videos look smooth and engaging. The lightweight form factor makes it nearly invisible to carry, ideal for spontaneous vlogging or capturing unique perspectives. While it's not intended for cinematic depth or low-light mastery, the Go 3S shines as a creative tool for fast, fun, and on-the-go content creation. With 128GB of storage, you'd have plenty of space for day-long adventures.